You won't find a more refreshing bite this summer than this watermelon feta salad, packed with juicy sweetness and fresh, crisp flavors. Start by adding the juicy watermelon to a large bowl. If you'd like the full recipe with exact measurements, you'll find it in the description below or by clicking the card above. Then toss in the cucumber for an extra layer of freshness. Next, scatter in the thinly sliced red onion, followed by the cubed Danish feta for a creamy, salty contrast. Finish the salad with plenty of freshly chopped mint to brighten every bite. Now let's make the dressing. Drizzle in the olive oil, then add the honey, pomegranate molasses, and fresh lime juice. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper, then whisk everything together until smooth and well combined. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss until every piece is lightly coated without breaking up the watermelon. Finish with a generous handful of fresh pomegranate seeds, then serve right away and enjoy. Save this recipe for later, and I'll see you in the next one.